वज़ीर आईटी और बल्दी नज़्म KTR ने कहा कि हैदराबाद दूसरे शहरों के मुकाबले तेजी से तरक्की कर रहा है। रियासती वज़ीर KTR ने आज सुबह हैदराबाद के करीब कोकापेट में माइक्रोचिप सेमीकंडक्टर डिजाइन डेवलपमेंट मरकज का इफ्तिताह अंजाम दिया। इस मौके पर खिताब करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि मुल्क में सेमीकंडक्टर रिसर्च के मैदान में तेजी से तरक्की हो रही है और तेलंगाना इस पेशरफ्त में अहम रोल अदा कर रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि हुकूमत सेमीकंडक्टर के शोबे में आगे आने वाली कंपनियों को भरपूर ताउन फराहम करेगी। उन्होंने कहा कि तेलंगाना की तश्कील के बाद से अब तक IT की बरामदात में 4 गुना इजाफा हुआ है और अब यह बढ़कर 2,41,000 करोड़ तक पहुंच गई है और मुल्क में हर दूसरे IT मुलाजिमत का मौका हैदराबाद से दस्तयाब है। उन्होंने कहा कि हैदराबाद बैंगलोर और चेन्नई से आगे है। शहर मुल्क का लाइफ साइंस का दारुल हुकूमत है। उन्होंने कहा कि हैदराबाद की जेएनयू वैली हिंदुस्तान में वैक्सीन की तैयारी का हेडक्वार्टर है और हैदराबाद दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा इख्तिराई कैंपस बन गया है।
In fact, last 2 years in a row, because most of us are all Hyderabadis and we take a lot of pride in the way the city is shaping up. So let me tell you, last 2 years in a row, according to NASSCOM, in the year 2021 and 22, out of the total jobs, technology jobs created in India, 1/3 were from Hyderabad. This was 2021-22. And in 2022 and 23, in fact, out of the total tech jobs created in India, 44% came from Hyderabad. So, literally 1 in 2 from Hyderabad. Not just that, just to put things in perspective, the city has been growing exponentially. In 2014, the total number of employees in the technology sector in Hyderabad was about 323,000, which is about 3,23,000. Now, as of March this year, it is 9,05,000. So you can imagine the kind of explosive growth the city has been having. And it also shows in our IT export figures. Back in 2014, it was 56,000 crores worth exports, software exports from Hyderabad and Telangana. Now, as of this year, it is 2,41,000. So it's literally quadrupled. The number of employees has tripled, and the number of, in terms of software exports, it is quadrupled. Not just that, as Krishnamurthy Garu has mentioned, there are new verticals taking shape. See, I know Microchip is all-pervasive. You cut through various industry verticals. I know you're there pretty much in everything, med devices to automobiles to everything in between, I'm sure, aerospace and everything else in between, right? So let me also take this opportunity, Ganesh and Shrikant, to tell you guys that Hyderabad is already home to the world's largest innovation campus in the form of T-Hub and T-Works. We focus on tech innovation, we focus on prototyping. We're also now looking at ensuring that we get more and more support in this fabulous space. As Krishnamurthy Garu has pointed out, you need a strong workforce and think force. To make India's impact in this semiconductor space felt. We're in very early stages now, compared to the US or compared to Taiwan or compared to other semiconductor ecosystems. We're in a nascent stage, so to speak. But I believe the future is for India to really take the pole position in the next decade or so. And I do believe that Hyderabad will have a very important role. So, all in all, Ganesh, firstly compliments on this wonderful facility, and I can tell you with a lot of confidence, the talented youngsters that you see here today, I can vouch for them because, like I said, the city has seen explosive growth just because we have these talented youngsters coming from all parts of India and all parts of the world. And I do believe that the journey has just begun, and we will ensure that we leave